Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix matchmaking error number 1. So whenever you get this kind of error, the first thing you need to check is your custom key. When you scroll down, you'll see the custom key and you'll need to remove all of this right here. And after that, if it still won't work, you need to go to your icon here and go to settings. On settings, you need to go to this icon here for the game, and then you go to your language and region tab and you select here the region where you're currently at. For me, I'm in Asia, so I'm gonna select that one. And then that's it. Let's try if it works now. Okay, so now it works. And if it still won't work in you need to restart your Fortnite. And if it still won't work, I need you to restart your computer. And that's it.